Alright, as you can see, we got the bed off right there. Had some help taking that off. And it's very crusty, so we're gonna have to fix all that. But right now, I'm probably going to be working on getting the body, front end, everything off the frame. Just start unbolting all this up in here. I'm probably just gonna do the 6 body mounts. Have to take those off. And I'll probably do another time lapse of that, so. Motivation. Time lapse don't do it justice, but we got everything off in here: the batteries, filter intake, all the hoses to the radiator, got all them off, got the power steering unplugged, got the brakes unplugged, and just trying to get everything to where we can just pull the cab straight off of the frame, leave the motor. I'm gonna try to pull it, the front end and the whole cab, try to pull it all straight off. If it'll work, I don't know, but I hope it will. That's what I'm gonna try to do, because I've only got those 6 body mounts, 2 there and there, and then 1 there, and then the ones back here. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I don't know if I'll get it today or not, but we'll see. Honestly, the bottom of the bed's not too bad. There's a little bit there, and then just a little bit of surface stress right there. Of course, the shield. But it's not in too bad a shape, really, considering what it is and what it is.
Huh?
And I'm gonna pull this hitch off. I don't know if I can grind them off or undo them, but those have to come off. Maybe. I gotta pull this rear tank, gonna pull that, gonna strip everything off to the frame to be able to put the kit on. All these will have to be cut off. All that, because there's a cross member that goes there, I gotta put on the rear. Then the transmission one up here. Alright, what I'm going to do now is take the steering off. Instead of taking it out like down in there, I'm going to take it off from right there, that bolt, and it'll just slide right out of the cab. Alright, I got that bolt out, and this rod should slide straight out once we pick the cab up. Alright, I got all the cab mounts unbolted, undone, front ones, rear ones, all of them. They're all taken out. And then I got the radiator support bolts undone, so everything's ready to come off. Only thing that's gonna be left on the frame is the motor. And I'm hoping I can pull front end and the whole cab straight up off the frame and leave the motor in there. So next time y'all probably see it, it's gonna be all off and just the frame and motor.